In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Microsoft Edge from asking to be your default browser. We all know how sometimes those persistent pop-ups can get on our nerves, constantly urging us to set Edge as the default. But don't worry, today we're going to tackle this issue head on, and I'll guide you through a straightforward process to put those pop-up prompts to rest. First things first, we need to access the registry editor. This is where we can make some changes to the system settings. Start by typing regedit in the Windows search bar, then click on registry editor to open it up. The registry editor is a powerful tool that allows us to tweak some behind the scenes settings on your PC. Next, let's navigate to a specific key within the registry. You'll need to carefully follow this path. HKE, current, user, then go to software, followed by policies, and finally Microsoft. Once you're inside the Microsoft folder, we're almost ready to make our changes. Our next step is to create a new key within this Microsoft folder. Right click on the Microsoft folder, and from the new menu that appears, choose new and then select key. You will name this new key Edge. This key will be where we introduce our modifications to stop those pesky notifications. Now go inside your newly created Edge key. Inside this folder, you will need to create a special value. Right click within the Edge folder space, select new, followed by dword 32-bit value. You'll be naming this value default browser setting enabled. This new setting is crucial because it will inform the system how to handle browser notifications. Once you've created default browser setting enabled, you'll want to set it to the correct value. Double click on this new entry and a dialog box will open. Here, set the value data to 0. This change tells your system to stop nagging you with those default browser pop-ups. With these changes in place, you can now close the registry editor. But we're not quite done yet. There's one final step to ensure these settings take effect. Go ahead and restart your computer. Restarting will apply the modifications we've just made, making your computing experience just that much more pleasant. And there you have it. These straightforward steps will guide you through stopping Microsoft Edge from asking to be your default browser. With this change, you should enjoy a smoother and interruption-free browsing experience. Thanks for following along with this tutorial, and I hope it helps you reclaim a bit more peace in your digital life. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.